Assalamu alaikum. I discussed extruded boss and revolved boss base in my previous videos. For this video, we will discuss about lofted boss base and fillet and shell and lofted cut. So first of all, make a sketch on front plane and then draw a circle. Give the diameter of 100 millimeter and then save and close the sketch. To add new plane, click on the reference geometry and then select plane. The first reference should be front plane on which we had drawn our previous sketch, and the distance from the first reference, I mean front plane, 150. If you want to flip direction, click here. Now OK, and then turn on sketch on this plane. You can hide and show this plane from here also. Now make normal to control plus 8. Draw another circle and then save and close the sketch. Click on the lofted boss base and then the profiles, the profile 1, and then select the other profile. OK. Now to make it hollow or like a shell, click on the shell and then faces to remove. Click on the show preview and the distance. This distance is the wall thickness of the shell. Click on OK and then select fillet and then select fillet expert. Select the edge to be fillet. This is the radius of fillet. Click on OK. And for making a intake adapter of something like pumps or turbines, sketch on front plane and then draw a circle, save and close the sketch, and then add a new plane from reference geometry and then select first reference. Distance is 150 millimeter, and now OK. Make a sketch on this plane, this new plane. Now make normal to and then select center rectangle. Now save and close the sketch. Click on the lofted boss and select both these profiles. To make this hollow like a pipe, click on this plane and draw another circle. The wall thickness of 2 millimeter. Save and close the sketch. And now make sketch on this plane. Again select center rectangle. Wall thickness, now save and close the sketch, and then select lofted cut. Select both of these profiles and the preview is shown. Click on OK. Now this is hollow. To make flanges on the both edges, simply click on this face and make a sketch. Now normal to, and draw a circle and then another circle. Now here is the circular pattern. Edit sketch, and then again select the circular pattern. The parameters, first of all select this circle, and then quantity 12. Clear this section and select entities to move pattern, which is this arc, and then click on OK. Now click on extruded boss base and flip the direction from here. The thickness of the flange, click on OK. Here is the one flange, and for another flange of rectangle, sketch on this plane and then normal to center rectangle, and now dimensions. Okay, and then save and close the sketch. Now extruded boss, and then reverse the direction. Click on OK. To make holes on this edge, sketch on this plane and then normal to, and draw a circle on this corner, and then select extruded cut. Drag this now. Select this linear pattern and the direction 1, Direction 2, features or faces. This extruded cut. Quantity 12 and the distance quantity 12 and the distance is 20, 15, for direction 2 quantity 8, flip the direction and then distance. Now as you see, I have an option here, instances to skip. Instead of selecting this instances to skip, I should make this okay, because there are no metal or no bodies on which this extruded cut will be done. So simply click on the OK, and now you can see there are also some holes there. Added this feature extruded cut, and decrease the length. I hope that you understand about lofted boss base and lofted cut. For any query, please you can contact me on Facebook, my Facebook ID, and my Facebook page link is in the description of this video, and you can also comment to this video. Thanks for watching.